Hello guys, today we are going to play Crack It. I've played this game a few times, but definitely not a lot. This is my first video, so I hope you guys enjoy. So I choose this office, so I already have whatever, but here I go with my spin. Let's see what I get. Oh. I get some cash. That's pretty good, but for my money, not so great. So our first person is Dakota. That's a perfect crack already. What are my chances today? This is speeding up. Not really too hard, but a little. So, see what happens. 5 out of 5, $25,000 and 2,100 from a quest. Yeah. So our next person is Amber. She needs the arm. So let's see. Do I get a 5 out of 5 this time? Probably. So this 5 out of 5, only $14,000. Not the most, not the worst. I'm saving up for the next office. I'm not really sure what it's called, but oh my god, I just got a perfect crack again. Let's go. Ooh. Looks like it was good. Rush hour started. That's really good. I'm not really sure. Oh, I suck. Oh my god, I suck, bro. Okay, well, I've never used a drill before, so let's see. Okay, pretty easy. A weird, like, thing, but pretty easy. Okay, 5 out of 5 like always. I don't know how to say her name, but she wants the drill. And do I get a perfect crack? Maybe. Too easy. 22,000. Xavier, back, extreme level. I accidentally pressed drill. My bad. But pretty easy so far. And yeah. Okay. Techniques. I'm going to buy the pogo stick. And oh, the next one's hell. So let's see what happens, you know? So here we are. Brookie, I think, I'm not sure, but she wants the drill. And 5 out of 5, 18,000. Peyton is next. Arm, so let's see. Starting with $110. And it's a perfect crack. Oh my goodness. What are my chances today? It's only 3 minutes into the video, too. 5 out of 5 again. It's pretty good. And Caroline, she wants the arm. And it's level extreme. So it might be hard, it might not. And let's see. Wow, very easy. 5 out of 5 again. Honestly, I always get 5 out of 5. She wants the punching bag. I've done this a few times. It's pretty, like, oh my god, it was a perfect crack again. Wow. And 5 out of 5 again. Let's go. Gage is next. I'm going to use my next spin, but I don't want to watch it. So, yeah. Yep, easy. This is my first time doing the pogo stick. And, yep, easy. 24K. Looks like I got a star potion. And yeah, I'm using another one of my spins. And we're doing the leg this time. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, 5 out of 5. Again. Wow, too easy, man. Give me some harder. Okay. Auras. Phoenix. Couldn't really see the difference. But I'll put it on later. And she wants the neck, so let's see. Lily. Getting some good chiropractor. I'm really cracking her neck. And yeah, pretty easy. 15,000 for that one. And looking at this chair for 45,000, but I think it's just a waste. So pretty easy so far. 12,000, 15,000, and 5 out of 5. Let's go. A new person, Allison, the pogo stick. And there we go. Starting off $100. Going all the way up to $6,000, 9,000, 11,000. And I just got 8,000 from a quest. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's the granny, bro. The granny. Oh my god, this is going to be so much fun. Never had the granny before. Let's see how hard it is. Pretty easy so far. Thought she would be a little bit more harder. Perfect crack on the granny. Perfect crack on the granny. Let's go. And it's moving. The bar is moving. Wow, did not see that. Final round. Let's go. 5 out of 5. Let's go. Too easy. I got the award, whatever, yeah. And then now I'll get the new office. Looks crazy. Not too crazy though. Wish it was better, but best of the best. Pogo stick, level extreme. Let's see how hard this is. I've done a lot of extremes before. See, 13,000, 16,000, and 19,000, and 23,000 and all. That's pretty good. And who in the world is this guy? Okay, well, I guess I'll do something. Guess I'll do the pogo stick. Let's see. A perfect crack on the guy that I don't even need a perfect crack on. Of course. Still. And let's go. 26,000 for that. And I don't know how to say his name, but he wants a pogo stick. A perfect crack again. Back to back. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Perfect. 2 perfect cracks on one person. Guys, has this ever happened to you guys? Question mark, question mark. And I need 320,000 just for that. Nathan. Let's see. Legs. Extreme. By the way, there are not a lot of cuts in this video, so you're seeing like all of it. 5 out of 5. Okay. Chelsea. Let's see. Punching bag. Pretty easy. Yeah, not too hard. Do I get a perfect or whatever? Final round. No, I do not. Sadly. Well, now we're going to the boss's office. And in case you have never been to the boss's office, this is what it looks like. It's a pretty empty room. You get a paycheck. And how is my success rate? Only a 51. That's stupid. Well, it's fine. You can come over here and press talk. And it will just give you some quest. But I don't have any quest. I'll use my last spin. See what I get. And I got 5,000 cash. 20% to get that. Now I'm going to go to Phoenix to see whatever. Yeah. Look at that thing. Looks pretty cool. Well, Aiden wants the shoulder. So, should be pretty easy. Let's see. And getting him really fast. And yeah. And that's the end. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And